Don't let your spark go to waste. Good evening. We are the Allokin Tech Corporation and we proudly present you EMAT-X, an innovative electrostatic energy harvesting desmat designed to redefine modern workspace by converting hand movement, typing, and device friction into usable electricity. EMAT-X powers your productivity while promoting sustainability. The problem statement: millions of people spend hours at desk daily, yet this space remains underutilized for energy generation. Hindi siya masyadong nagagamit or wala silang gaanong ways para mas makatipid or ways para mas ma-utilize yung desk na yon. Growing demand for sustainable energy solution. As environment concerns rise, individuals and industries are seeking cleaner, renewable energy sources to reduce carbon footprints. Gusto nila makatipid. Naghahanap sila ng ways for sustainable energy solutions. Next, inefficiency in personal workspace energy use. Most workspace waste energy through idle and inefficient charging setups, lacking system that optimize energy consumption, or we can say na magastos din siya kasi walang ways for efficiency. Dependence on power grid for small devices. Ito, even low power gadgets rely entirely on electricity for from the grid, increasing overall energy demand unnecessarily. Kahit yung mga low power devices, gumagastos din yan, nagkakos din yan ng electricity, nagde-demand din yan ng cost. Next, limited innovation in energy harvesting accessories. Few products exist that actively capture and reuse ambient energy, like yung movement, yung heat, in everyday environments. Lack of real-time energy feedbacks in work environment. Users typically have no visibility into how much energy they use or generate, missing opportunities to improve efficiency, or wala silang ways or di sila nakakaisip ng ways para mas makatipid sila or mas ma-monitor nila yung energy consumption nila. Next, converts static and electricity from movement into usable energy. The mat captures electrostatic charge generated by hand movement, typing, or friction and converts it into electrical energy. Powers small devices and stores energy. The harvested energy can be used to charge your low power device or store energy into the battery or para magamit mo siya later on. Integrated app for energy monitoring. Kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, a companion that provides real-time data on energy generation and usage. Mas nakakatulong ito sa pagtatrack or yung pagmamanage ng workspace efficiency. How the solution work? Movement on the mat generates electrostatic energy. Typing, hand movement, or device friction. Paulit-ulit ko na sinasabi. On the mat surface creates static charge through electrostatic induction. This creates triboelectric and electrostatic charge on the surface. These charges lead to potential difference when two materials with different electrons affinities are brought into contact and then separated. When two, yan, forming basis of electrostatic energy harvesting or yung sinasabi na nga natin na kapag nag-stretch or napupul yung isang bagay, nag-generate siya ng electricity or ganoon. Internal system harvests and stores this energy. The generated charges are collected by micromechanical system or yung mga MEMS and pass through an energy management circuit wherein the system converts the irregular voltage pulses into a stable DC output suitable for charging and powering devices. Yan. USB and Type-C ports provide power input. Once the energy is harvested and stabilized, users can access it through built-in USB or yung mga Type-C ports on the mat edge, yung nasa gilid lang sila. These ports are designed to supply power to low power devices kagaya ng mga smartphones. Mga smartphones natin, yung mga desk fans, LED lamps, or yung mga wearables kagaya ng mga smartwatch or AirPods. Smart power regulation ensures safe, consistent energy output even if input generates varies. Ayan, mobile app shows real-time energy generation data. An integrated companion app, kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, available to sa mobile and connects it to the mat via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It tracks yung mga real-time energy generation and storage status, yung mga historical energy data and usage trends. Environment condition, may mga built-in sensors din to. An AI-driven tips to optimize energy, production, and workspace layout. Next,
Hi, I'm Daniel Joshua Katonga, and I will discuss the prototype. This is my part. And the Emacs is working prototype of Smart Desmat that converts tablet movements like typing or resting your hand into electrostatic energy. The mat store this energy literally and deliver power through USB or Type-C port or dun sa ah, wireless charger like sa mga iPhone. It designs to power small device offering us a sustainable way to generate energy passively while working at your desk. And next is a team background. As you can see, we are the team Ecotech. Yeah, first, number one is visionary. A visionary who leads the product innovation and direction. For the second is engineer. Ito yung who develop and test the technology. Siya yung gumawa and siya yung magte-test ng technology. And the third is designer. Uh, let's continue. For the third is the designer who handles the app interface and overall branding. Together, they combine creativity, technical skills, and user experience expertise to bring Emacs to life. Siya yung nag-design kunwari sa mga prototype. Sa engineer naman is siya yung gumawa and sa visionary, siya yung pinaka parang nakaisip na. Next, target market. First is office worker and remote employees. Second is student and academic institution. And the third is eco-conscious customers. And the fourth, corporate and government workplace. Sa office worker, yung mga employees diyan, madalas diyan gumagamit sila ng mga ganitong workplace. Lagi silang nakatutok sa mga computer. Yan, sigurado gamit itong namin, product namin. And sa student and academic institution, yung mga IT, lalo mga IT, engineer, mostly gumagamit din ng mga ano, computers. Sigurado ilang oras yan na po computer. Gamit na gamit din to. And eco-conscious customers and isa din yan sa mga target market namin and the fourth yan, corporate and government workplace. At basta gumagamit sila ng mga computers, yan, kasama sila sa mga namin. And ito naman part nito is discuss ni Shanaira Nicholas Reyes.
Competition and competitive advantage. Features traditional desk charging pads, EMATEX. Energy source, eco-friendly, portability, and real-time feedback. Energy source, the traditional desk none, charging pads, wall outlet, EMATEX, human movement. Eco-friendly, traditional desk no, charging pads, limited, EMATEX, yes, static energy. Portability, fixed traditional desk, charging pads, moderate, EMATEX, high. And last, real-time feedback. Additional desk, none. Charging pads, limited. Ematex, full app support. Next is financial summary, category, and cost estimate. R&D, 10,000 to 15,000. Manufacturing, 5 units, 100,000 to 120,000. And marketing legal, 20,000 to 25,000. Total investment, 140,000 to 160,000. ROI or revenue on investment in 6 to 9 months at average sale price per unit 3,500. Core business model revenue stream. First is direct sales, retail, and online. Second, licensing to furniture and desk manufacturers. Three, institutional contract, school offices. Four, subscription app services, data and analytics. Tagline, we energize your workspace, one tap at a time. EMAT X, Electrostatic Energy Harvesting the Smart. Thank you.